नमस्कार दोस्तों, प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट के इस नए वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन पाने के लिए प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें।
Hello and welcome to Property Experts. Today Mr. Kapoor is with us. He is an advocate. Today we are discussing about how a home buyers can consume his case against his developer. Mr. Kapoor is an advocate in Supreme Court and also a practicing lawyer in National Consumer Forum, who is eligible to file the case against the builder in consumer court. Now, in our country, there is three types of consumer court. The first is the district commission, and the second is the state commission, and the third is the national commission. These three forums are defined by their eligibility in terms of pecuniary jurisdiction. So let's say if the value of the property more than 10 crore when you go to the national commission, and the value is more than 1 crore, then you go to the state commission, and the value is less than 1 crore, then you go to the district commission. If there are several consumers and they come together and make a joint complaint, then the value will be taken into account and the particular jurisdiction will be determined. Now tell me about the ground which a builder can book in consumer court by home buyer. There can be several grounds of those deficiency of service of the goods. So let's say there is a delay in delivery of possession of the flat, or there is what is delivered is not what was promised. If the documents are not clear, or if the builder promised to deliver X amenities and there is no X minus amenities, that is also ground to go consumer court. Who can file? Is it necessary? Is it the lawyer who files, or is it the consumer who can file independently? A consumer, you and yourself, can also file to make a complaint in relevant commission as according to jurisdiction, and yourself can argue the entire matter. You can take assistance of a lawyer, but that is not mandatory. Now take us through the process of filing case. How is it filed from the notice till the accession stage till charges? What is the process of actual filing of a case? So in the consumer law, there is no mandatory requirement of issuing a legal notice to the other side. You may choose to do so either by way of your own letter or through a notice to your lawyer. Thereafter, or even without sending the notice, you the essence of a complaint that you put down all your facts in paper. You give your details and the details of the opposite party and the paper of your legal properties and the other communication you have, and put your allegation in the chronological order. How the services rendered to you have not been proper, which is why you are entitled to compensation or money is from the builder or the developers, and give all necessary documents with this: the buyer agreement, the agreement with the builder for the sale of the land or plot, and the proof of your payment. You annex all the documents with your complaint and you complain before the relevant commission. If your claim is below than 5 lakhs, then you don't have to pay any court fee. If you have 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, you have to pay 200. If your claim is more than 10 crore, then you have to pay 77,500 rupees. If you are not filling hard copy, you need to file 3 copies of your complaints in some commission. Please take us through the online filling the consumer complaint to do it. How the consumer can log into website and file the complaint online. We go to the website of National Commission. There is a tab known as online filling. If you click to the tab, you will find a new website known as edakhill.nic.in. This is the government initiative, and that is the website you can upload your complaint and that will be filled. There are tutorials available both in English and Hindi. The first hearing will be held under 15 days if you are feeling correct. This is the way how you file your case in online. If you have more queries, then put it in comments. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel for your more information. Thank you.
दोस्तों, उम्मीद है ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होगी। आज इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अलविदा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, then please like, share and subscribe our channel Property Expert and be with us. If anyone wants to buy or take property on rent, then you can fill the form given below in the description. Thank you.